Hey guys, welcome back to the Logical Coder and our new React series. So today we will see how to set up the environment for React.js. For React, first we need to install Node, and you can install it from the official website of Node from here. And for the editor, I will use VS Code for this series. So let's go to the command prompt and type the command npx create react app and your app name first app and press enter. It will take some time to install all the dependencies for your project, so have patience. Okay, so after the installation part, we need to navigate inside the folder as it mentions here cd first app, press enter, and then npm start, press enter. Okay, so here we got our first React app in our browser. So let's go to our VS Code, and this is how it looks like. So after running all the installation commands, you will see a node modules folder containing all the project dependencies specified in the package.json. So here we have the node modules. So we have to access the source folder here, and this is our app.js. So this is the text which we can see in our browser. So let me delete this and write hello coders here. And the moment I save it, you can see the changes in our browser. As you can see here, hello coders. So it's that fast, and the virtual DOM is the reason behind this. Okay, so one more thing I want to discuss with you guys is if you are working with Node, you should at least know the difference between Npm and Npx. So what is Npm? Npm is your Node package manager, which will manage all the packages of your project. So there are two things we can do with Npm. So the first and foremost is that it is an online repository for the publishing of open source Node.js projects. So if you want to publish your projects, you can do that easily here. And the second one is it is a CLI tool that allows us to install modules or packages and manage their versions and dependencies. So you don't have to worry about it. Also, it is very easy to use npm to install modules. So if you want to install any package using npm, first you need to install it globally, and you can write it npm install your package name and just append it by G, which stands for global. Only then this will allow you to run the program from the console just like other CLI tool. All you have to do is just simply type your package name. But if you want to run a locally installed package, then you have to add it manually into your package.json file. Let me show you where you can do that. So here we have our package.json file. Just open it, and here inside the scripts you can write your package name like this way. So for now, let me remove this, and then you can run the script using npm run command. So the next one is npx. What is npx? Npx is a tool for executing Node packages, and just like npm, it also gets installed when you install Node. Npx will simply check whether your command exists in your path or not and execute it. So if you wish to execute the locally installed package, all you need to do is just simply type npx and your package name, and you are good to go. Another advantage of npx is the ability to execute a package which wasn't previously installed. So if you haven't installed any package, you can do that by simply write npx create react app my app in our case. So it will create a React app for you. This way you can also save some disk space and simply run them when you only need them. So I hope now you are in a good state to differentiate between npm and npx. And for no doubt, npx is better because we don't have to install it globally. We can simply execute it. So this is it for the video. I hope you find this easy. Thank you for watching.